One reason it is so darn hard to file your own taxes is because most every year there are so many changes to the tax code, and so it is with the 2013 year. And if you're a self-employed small business owner, there are some particular changes you need to be aware of. Keith Hall, that's the president and CEO of the National Association for the Self-Employed. So, Keith, in general, do these changes give any breaks to the sole proprietor?
You know, there are good things and bad things. The IRS gives us a standard deduction this year for the home office deduction, which is a great thing. But at the same time, they also increased some limits, for example, on medical expenses, which might be worse for a lot of taxpayers.
There are also some changes in some of the key tax rates.
I agree, especially for those individuals who are in the higher income levels. There are new taxes on Medicare tax. There's a higher marginal tax rate, and there's even a new investment income tax rate. So lots of things to be aware of.
Something that I think almost everybody's glad, finally, there is a permanent patch to that dreaded alternative minimum tax.
Yes, there is. And in fact, that takes a lot of headaches away. The IRS does a lot of good things, but they don't always make things more simple. That's one of the things that we're really thankful for. So we don't have to worry about always adjusting that AMT calculation every year. So that's a good thing.
How about the, what is it, the standard mileage rate for businesses? Is that any different this year?
It did go up. That's one of the things that is kind of adjusted to inflation every year. So the new deduction for miles on your automobile is 56.5 cents per mile. So make sure you remember to use that one because it's an easy one to miss because it doesn't show up in your business checkbook. So make sure you take advantage of the business miles on that automobile.
Now, your organization, that's kind of a resource. If small business owners or a sole proprietor is challenged, they can contact you and you can give them some good help.
Absolutely. And, you know, that's always the best advice for small business owners, which is stay connected. Our website at nase.org is a great one. The IRS website has lots of good stuff at irs.gov, but there are so many changes, and we know there are going to be more. So the most important advice is to make sure you stay connected.
Well, I'm a sole proprietor, so let me sound off and tip my hat to you. Keith Hall, thanks so much.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.